Hello, my name is Mohammad Jilani. I am from CSE B section. My concept video topic is about lines of regression. Introduction analyzes the specific relationship between the two or more variables is known as regression. This is done to gain the information about one through knowing values of the others. Regression. Regression is a statistical measure that attempts to determine the strength of the relationship between one dependent variable, usually denoted by y, and a series of other changing variables known as independent variables. Forecast value of dependent variable y from the value of independent variable x1 comma x2 so on. Linear regression, the simplest mathematical relationship between two variables x and y, is a linear relationship. In a cause and effect relationship, the independent variable is the cause and the dependent variable is the effect. Least square linear regression is a method for predicting the values of a dependent variable y based on the value of an independent variable x. The first order linear model y is equals to b0 plus b1 x plus e. Y is equals to dependent variable x is equals to independent variable b0 is equal to y intercept. b1 is equals to slope of the line. E is equals to error variable. Slope and intercept. Slope. The slope of a line is the change in y for a 1 unit increase in x. Y intercept. It is the height at which the line crosses the vertical axis and is obtaining by setting x is equals to 0 in the equation. The formula of slope intercept is y is equals to mx plus b. Mx is the slope and the db is the y intercept. Error variable. A random error term. The quantity e in the model equation is a random variable assumed to be normally distributed with e of e is equals to 0 and v of e is equals to pi square. E-random deviation or random error term. Without e, an observed pair x comma y would correspond to a point falling exactly on the line. Y is equal to b0 plus b1 x called true regression lines. The inclusion of the random error term allows x comma y to fall either above the true regression line when e is greater than 0 or below the line when e is less than 0. Least square estimation of b0 comma b1. Beta naught is equals to mean response when x is equals to 0 y intercept. Beta 1 is equal to change in mean response when x increase by 1 unit slope. b comma b0 comma beta naught comma beta 1 are unknown parameter like mu. Beta naught plus beta 1 x is equals to mean response when explanatory variable take on the value x. Goal chooses value, estimates the minimize the sum of squared errors SSE of observed values to the straight line. Y is equals to beta naught plus beta 1 x. SSE is equals to alpha n is equals to 1 y minus y 1 whole square is equals to alpha n is equals to 1 y minus beta naught plus beta 1 xi whole square. Most application of linear regression, if the goal is prediction for forecasting, linear regression can be used to fit a predictive model to an observed data set of y and x values. After developing such a model, if an additional value of x is then given without its compensation value of y, the fitting model can be used to make a prediction of the value of y given a variable y and a number of variable x1 so on xp that may be related to y. Linear regression analysis can be applied to quantify the strength of relationship between y and the xj to assume which xj may have no relationship with y at all and to define which subset of the xj contains redundant information about y. The least square estimate the slope coefficient beta 1 of true regression line is beta 1 is equals to sigma xi minus x yi minus y sigma xi minus x whole square. The least square estimate of the intercept beta naught plus true regression line is beta naught is equals to y minus beta 1 x. Regression generates what is called the least square regression line. The regression line takes the form is equals to a plus bx where a and b are both constants. Confound y hat is the predicted value of y and x is a specified value of the independent variable. Such a formula could be used to generate values of for a given value of x. For example, suppose a is equals to 10, b is equals to 7. If the x is 10, then the formula predict a predict value of 45 from 10 plus 5 into 7. It returns out that with any two variables x and y, there is one equation that produce the best fit linking x to y. We use the certainty is called the least square certainty to the measure best. Thank you.